when revising for an exam or even prepping for an oral presentation or speech, because yes, it is very easy to tell when a student doesn't really understand what they're presenting in an oral assessment. Well, there is a very simple little test to see if your teen really understands a concept or really knows about a topic before they go into an exam or assessment. So here's the test. Can your teen teach you about it, about the topic, by talking to you? Or if they're not really up for that, and I get that, then the alternative is that they could record their explanation, a bit like a podcast to teach others about it. And the added bonus of this is that they then have that recording as a revision resource to listen to later. But the key thing is, can they talk about it without their notes or their script or the textbook? And if so, great. But hold out for my sneaky little subtest coming up in a second. If not though, then they don't really know it yet and they need to go back to their learning, because it's very easy for us to think that we're taking in information and understanding it when we're reading about it, even if we're answering questions about it from a textbook. But then sometimes when the content stimulus or the resources are removed, it can become difficult to vocalize or convey that information, relying only instead on the knowledge and understanding that we've retained and digested in those whirring brain cells. It's a lot more difficult to link it all together and be able to process it into a different format and do it in a way that others can understand. So that is a true test of our understanding. And here's the sneaky little subtest. If your teen passed the first test of being able to fluently talk about and teach you the subject content, then just to double check, ask them a few tightly linked questions about it. Now, if they just explained the circulatory system, for example, ready for bio exam, then ask them something like, okay, so that deoxygenated blood, how does that become oxygenated again? Something that isn't just a pure repeat of information, but makes them re-explain something in a slightly different way or with a different focus. So that's the quick and simple test, the test before the test, if you like, to check whether your teen really knows their stuff. I'm Katie Price, Grade Transformation Expert, and wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave me some reaction, leave me a comment, give me a like, a share, a thumbs up or down. I'd love to get your feedback and hear about what you've learned about, perhaps from your teen as you test together whether they really know that subject content that they're studying for. And until next week, let's make this a great week.